Hello YouTube. This is Black Society TV. Hey, I want to talk about the DC crash that happened on January 29th. There was someone who died in that crash that was never spoke of. The media never mentioned her, never spoke of her. They really just put her on the back end of everything. They just wanted to talk about the skaters and other people, all the Caucasian people that died in that crash. Kiah Duggins, a black civil rights attorney who interned at the Michelle Obama school. It was like a girls program. She interned there. She was a Harvard Law student. She was Miss Kansas. Um, but she did a lot of work behind the scenes for civil rights, and she would truly be missed. But her name was Miss Kiah Duggins, and she was a black civil rights attorney. And some would say, some of my counterparts would say that she could have very well been, the next president. She certainly wanted to run, and she was making her come up, being a civil rights attorney, fighting for the rights of people who couldn't fight for themselves, or who was getting wronged in some instance. But Kiah Duggins was a pillar to the community. Why she was on that plane that day, I have no idea. But just the stuff surrounding the plane crash just make me just think. It make me think, like, was this an accident, or was it something that they, you know they tried to do, um, but based on her, because the media have not mentioned her at all. They have not mentioned Miss Kiah Duggins at all, and it's like they don't want to mention her. Like they don't want to mention her. And like I said, she was a pillar of community. She was a civil rights attorney, and and not mentioned. And the news, well, they barely showed her. They barely showed her on the news for like a couple of seconds, and then it's like that was it. Yeah. Then they kind of like just shoot it off, like we don't need to show her no more. Yeah, that's how it was, y'all. That's exactly how it was. But yeah, but I just want to put it out there that there was a very important person of the black community that was killed on that DC plane crash that was never really mentioned, and this lady had such an impact, on the earth, on the United States, but on the earth. Um, for her not to get mentioned by the media. But I want y'all to like, comment, share this video. Black people, y'all share this video. Um, she was one of us that was forgotten in this whole ordeal with this DC plane crash, because they only showed who they wanted to show. Um, but y'all share this so y'all know that Miss Kiah Duggins, um, prominent civil rights attorney, was killed in that DC crash, and she have not gotten the accolades. She have not gotten a mention. Um, it like, all well, everything she done down the drain. Let's just forget about it. That's how they do. But look, y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video.